curious with the level of competition you're playing. Like you talked about the next few days that are going to be pretty tough practices, but the sort of level of grace that you give for a performance like that when it's the first time you're throwing guys together and there's all these combinations. Where do you measure that?
God, I measure it that you're doing a better job of giving my guys a break than I am, so I like that. But, I really wasn't disappointed with everything. You can't mix and match guys like that the first time. If you remember last year, that was a real game and we didn't play great. And by the way, I give Todd credit. I mean, he is a good coach. They've got a couple of really good players. I mean, we couldn't guard Towns, with a fishnet, And so he did a good job, but under the circumstances of trying to get guys in and out, we get a little run, and we said, let's give some other guys a chance because we need to see our guys right now. That's not always great. I mean, last year, it's easier with a center. We had Shimon in there, but the only other guy that really hadn't played much was Jace, and he just is such a, high IQ, easy flow of the game kind of guy that it was easy with him. These guys will struggle a little bit for a while, and that's why we got to get them better. So we got to coach harder, and we will.